This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for August 12, 2022. Guys, before we get started with 98% average accuracy readings for you, predictions of the stock market, day after day, let's just talk real quick. You are likely watching this video while we have our crucial Kickstarter fundraising going on. Go check out ESOMETA, ESOMETA, ESOMETA on Kickstarter and help us raise the money we need to keep this channel rolling. We're going to take it to the next level, but we need that money, my friends. We need that money. For me to go full force and predict and not get all tied up in my own trades and whatnot, we need your help. We need you to send us back a little bit of that money you make from our help. And more importantly, go get in on this Kickstarter, because when the thing goes off, when we launch in Christmas of the end of the year and this thing goes live, the Kickstarter prices are like a tenth of the cost, my friends. There's even a lifetime option. All right, guys. So the theme for the 12th, we have a notable decline. So on a one-day chart and likely on a one-day chart and likely on a 1-month chart, there's a notable decline that stands out here or commences here. We'll see. It looks like there's a completion of a bullish trend right around the open. We also have this bullish price swings card that was foretold of in the prior day. So there's a congruency there early on, the significant movement here and the completion of a bullish trend there. Then we have that sharp drop with a correlation from the theme card, a sharp drop that marks an opportunity in the midst of a decline to open up usually to open up a long position. I'm going to have to look closer at that. But we have sideways fluctuations around like 10 to 11 with a bearish trend preceding an incline. There's a lot of bearish energy going on there between like 10 and 11, even 11 and 12-ish. And then out of like a trough, there's a trade opportunity there. And out of the trough, we have a rally up midday with some sideways fluctuations, but along a diagonal trend line, we break through horizontal resistance, meet a secondary resistance, and then pull back to somewhere between those price levels. Somewhere midday that happens. Out of the low, we'll be able to determine the low because there will be a fast, sudden move higher, marking the end of a period of decline. Just throwing that in there. And then again, between roughly 1 and 2 o'clock, we have multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance, an opportunity to cash in on a trade, on a day trade, it looks like. You have to be there to look at this in real time to know exactly what that means. It's more of a in real time kind of information. And then we have another day's low, or a trough, or a notable day's low here towards the end of the day. There is a pop higher. We have a correlation to the star card. But the star card, it looks like towards the very end of the day, there's a little bit of a pop higher. But the star card is really like something crazy happened. There's a big decline, something out of like irregular, something that doesn't happen very often. Towards the end of the day, decline here. We also have an agreement between two leaders, or a merger of some kind highlighted right around the close, a cash out opportunity right around the close. And then we have erratic volatile behavior in the post-market. That's the S&P 500 for August 12, 2022, guys. Make some money today, and then let me hear about it, my friends. When you make that money, pay a little bit of that forward, and hey guys, pay a little bit of that back. I'll see you guys on the next one.